Folks, today we are shopping for the week, and this is actually going to be the same thing I've been doing for basically a couple weeks. After I did my carnivore stint, I just wanted to eat some good chicken and some good vegetables. So last week we got these rotisserie chickens and we ate like 4 or 5 of them between us. We each ate half a chicken. So that's the plan again for this week. So rotisserie chickens for the week. We're going to split one of these each night. That's what we did last week, and it turned out really nicely, really well. And they're so good. I love rotisserie chicken. I just pop it in a foiled pan and I bake at 350 for about 30 minutes to heat it up. So good. And I'm gonna steam up and saute some cabbage. I call them cabbage noodles. Top them with some Parmesan cheese, fry them up in some olive oil, and they taste really good. And I crave them. They're so good. I mean, before keto, I never craved a vegetable. Now I do. I love my cabbage noodles. I have stopped intermittent fasting because I figure what's the point of sitting there hungry at work, so I feel skinny. And so now I'm doing about 30 grams of almonds. I love these smokehouse almonds. 170 calories for 28 grams and 2 net grams of carbs. And I'm just going to slice off some feta cheese. Usually about 40 to 50 grams of this. Down here we have our bubblies. I love bubblies. These are just carbonated water with some flavor, but the bubbly bounce has caffeine. So after my coffee in the morning, I'll take one of these in the car with me to work. I'll have one for a lunch, and then after dinner I'll have another one. So I love these bubbly bounces. They're so good. It's Sunday, and so usually I go really lazy on Sundays. We eat out more, and so tonight, we're getting all the shopping ready for the week, Monday through Friday, but I think we're probably gonna go pick up some food. But so we're gonna go. We went to Lowe's. The man has been really into plants, so went to Lowe's, had to get a couple things. I got myself a basil plant for that caprese salad I'm gonna start eating in the summertime. But so we're gonna go home, finish shopping, and maybe go pick up some food. Since it's Sunday, we have to work tomorrow, so it's kind of like the last hurrah of the weekend. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, folks, so we just got back running errands, and we picked up our Sunday delectables. I went to Poke Bros. The man went to Moe's and got some Mexican fast food to go. But I love the Poke Bros. Usually they'll do sushi rice, but if you'd like, they can do lettuce as a base. On my bowl, I've got some avocado, there's some carrots under there, some green onion, there's some masago, some seaweed. I do like this dressing. It's the Sriracha Ranch, but it's slightly sweet. On the weekends, I go pretty lazy, but I do the double meat. So I get the spicy salmon and the spicy tuna, and it's just really good, and I love this. I usually get this on Sundays. It's like my little Sunday treat before work. But this little bowl right here comes out to like $18 because I get the double meat. So not the cheapest fast food, but it's definitely delicious. So if you haven't tried Poke Bros or a poke bowl at all, definitely give it a try. Okay folks, so we have made dinner for the night. It was super duper simple and easy, and it's gonna be so good. I love rotisserie chicken. So looking forward to this. It's so tasty. The thing about rotisserie chicken nutrition though, it's gonna be a lot higher calorie than just a regular old chicken breast or even like a chicken thigh. 300 grams of this is like 600 calories. So I eat a very small lunch. I forgot to film it today, but I'll film it for you tomorrow. I eat a very small lunch because I prefer to just really enjoy my dinner, pretty much eat what I want, as long as it's keto. Feel full, last me until, you know, about 11, 12 o'clock the next day when I have my small lunch again. Like I said, I've given up the intermittent fasting. It's not for me right now. That's okay. Don't be afraid to change things up based on how your lifestyle is going. If something's not working, change it. I was miserable, feeling hungry like at 11 o'clock. So I'm looking forward to my dinner. I do have my glass of Cabernet, and I am gonna dip some of the chicken in some Texas Pete, which is basically zero everything. Ain't nothing there. No, nothing. I do really enjoy overcooking my cabbage. If you notice, as I was cooking it, it started to turn brown. It adds so much flavor, so that's what I like to do. But we topped it with 28 grams of grated Parmesan, and we cooked it in half a tablespoon of olive oil. I just had a bite. It's so good. Honestly, this is my favorite pasta substitute. I love cabbage. It's got a nice bite to it. Awesome flavor. It's nice and mild, but also if you cook it up nicely, add some seasoning, add some cheese, it's just so good. And it gives you that full feeling. This is 300 grams, and it's been keeping me regular. If you've seen my recent video, my carnivore thing that I tried to help me with digestion, the cabbage has really been helping. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, and yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay, so early morning, and I am finishing up my black coffee. And today we are making lunch. I like my simple little tiny lunch. It just holds me over till dinner. So I got my feta and our almonds. So 40-ish grams of feta cheese that I just kind of wrap in a napkin. And we're going for 30, 26. 30. And then 30 grams of our Smokehouse Blue Diamond almonds. And then I like to have these bubbly bounces. I drink a couple of these, maybe even 3 a day, but zero everything besides caffeine. They have caffeine. So if you want the caffeine, you got to get the bounce. And then we have my icy lemon water in my trusty water bottle, my favorite water bottle I've owned my entire life. It locks, it's got a rubber seal, and when you take the lid off, you have a big enough mouth to put in whole ice cubes, which I need lots of ice. I'm not gonna make special ice for a water bottle. So this is just regular ice from the freezer, and it fits in this big mouth when you take the cap off. It's just perfect, and I love it. If you need a water bottle, get this one by Under Armour. I got this one from Kohl's. So lots of ice, lots of lemon juice. I don't know, it's my favorite thing to drink, basically. And this thing keeps ice so well. I fill it up at like 7:45 every morning. By the time I get home and go to bed, it's still got ice in it. I love it, so my favorite water bottle. So yes, that is my lunch for the day. It's basically a snack. Like I said, I like to keep it small and simple so that I can enjoy my bigger dinners at nighttime. But the beautiful thing about it is that it literally takes like a minute and a half to make my lunch in the morning. Okay, long day of work. I do like to kind of close out the day with like a little bit of a snack. As soon as I get home, I got 20 grams of almonds. So, I mean, that's basically what I eat Monday to Friday, maybe Monday to Thursday if we go out on a Friday. But recently I've just been staying in on Fridays because I love to be home. Owning a house has made me such a homebody. I don't go out anymore except for Saturday. So that's what I usually do Monday to Friday. I'm pretty strict about my intake. Sometimes I'll hit 1,350 calories, but with this rotisserie chicken, I'll go up to maybe 1,500 depending. Rotisserie chicken is much higher calorie than just like chicken breast. And you know, you can taste it. That's why it's so good. It just feels like it's got more of the grease left in it rather than just like baked or broiled chicken breast or anything. And I love to eat the skin on my rotisserie chicken. So yes, on the weekends I do like to go out. If you see my Instagram, which you should check out, I do a lot of sushi Saturdays. It's really sashimi Saturday. So lots of protein. I like to either get a side salad or some garlic broccoli. And then Sunday, we usually go to Poke Bros. Sometimes we'll pick up barbecue. It just depends. So the weekends I'm much lazier. Go out to eat. I can't really measure that as much as I would like. But that's my approach to maintenance. You know, really strict throughout the week, and then I'm a little bit more lenient on the weekends, and I go lazy or keto. But I'm going to finish my snack. I'm going to edit this video, and I will leave you guys to it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. You know, I haven't done a what I eat in a week or in a day in a really long time. Sorry if it was boring, but honestly, that's how I maintained my weight after losing 170 pounds. You know, you can't just go wild. If you've been following a method to lose weight and it's been working, you cannot just go off that and go back to the way that you were eating. You do have to keep restricting a little bit. You can't just go back and start eating all the stuff that made you fat in the first place, because you'll gain that weight back. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help me out so much.
And if you'd like to follow me on social media, I will link all of that down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Allie. Have a good one. Bye.